Hi guys, today I am in shock, and after this video will be end, you will also be shocked. It's very shocking, and I alarm also for all the technicians who use wires in their project. So last night I bought this DC motor. A normal motor and few wires. Now these both are the normal ones, but these wires. Now you were thinking that these wires are normal wires. What is different? These both wires are normal. But if you see this properly, I think you can see the difference in the two terminals. This one is made up of steel, and this one is made up of copper. I think you can see. Now, this wire is made, and how it can be possible that one of its terminal is made up of steel, as you can see, and one of its terminal it's made up of copper, and there is nothing joint in between, no joint. When I got this to know, I was shocked that, and you know why? Because when I went to the shop, they sold me this in just 5 rupees 1 meter, and from the other shops I'll show you. These red wires, I got this 1 meter in 20, and this 1 meter, this is not 1 meter. I've cut it, and when I cut it, I saw this one more. Actually, when I got 1 meter, they sold in it 5 rupees, and when I picked this up from the market, they told that there were more in the market, which, as you can see, they told to take all the white wires, and when I came home, the result is in front of you. I think you can see the color difference. This one is made up of steel, and this one is made up of copper. There was one more wire like this, but I thought I should see that, and that I didn't got. So this one, I'll cut this plastic thing and check what is inside them. I will start cutting it from this side. Yeah, see. That's what happened with the last wire. See, this was steel, and after this much, I'll cut this and show it will be copper. One second. See. Hey, I think it's steel. Wait. No, it's copper. As I told you. So see, these both look similar, and see this. Totally different. This what happened with the last wire. And see, only this much is steel, and even not this much. I will cut more to show you. I will cut from this side. Maybe it will be copper. Maybe. Yeah, see. See. See this. See. See. Only this much, and only one, this side terminal is steel and this side is copper. So I'll cut more from this side. See, there is more copper. Oh, yeah, see. Only this much is steel, and you know, this was this long wire, and only this much do, and I think so I should cut more to show you. I've cut that copper, and now I'll cut this. So guys, see, I am only cutting this much part, and I think this is also copper. Yeah, I was right. I'll show you by removing everything. Hurt. It's okay. So see, can you see this middle part which I have cut, and this part color difference? That means if I cut this part too, you know, see, this side is still copper. So you can only think how much was the steel. This side is still copper, I showed you, and this is steel. So if you want me to cut this, I'll cut this also. See, if this, see, I have cut, and see what is coming out. I'll cut everything, and see. See this. If you can see, can you see this down part and up part? Up part is little bit brown in color. They both are joined by, you know, when we join our wires manually, like by this. That's what they have done. And from almost if I join all these 3 wires this much big, this will be almost 2 meters because this red wire was 1 meter, this was more than 1 meter, and I have cut that. The result was in front of you. They have I think it's gone. Yeah, I showed you that they were joined, and if you think anybody is doing with you like this, I will check other white wires also, like they may be also like this. So if you find anyone like that doing this, just go to the shop and show that. Take your money back. Don't waste. Check all the terminals like this. See, this was that I cut. Only this much was steel, and if you use 2 terminals in 1 wire joint, it will not work. Like this red wire is the best. If you will join this and this, it will work. But if you take any of the steel like this, and if you join that steel with this and then connect that steel to the circuit, it will not work. And just because of this much steel that was there in my wire, my whole circuit, your whole circuit will be wasted. So guys, always check your wire terminal, as I'll show this red wire also by cutting this, that this is also not fake. No, as I told, this red wire was real. So guys, how did you like my video? If you think anybody is doing this with you, just comment me. And you check your wire by cutting it, as I did. So guys, you were shocked? If you were shocked, give a like and comment that it had happened with you or not. So and one more thing, if you are new to channel, do not forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Bye guys.